Hello, my name is Ben Lovegrove, and in this video I'm going to explain what everyone needs to know about the new drone laws for the UK. Before I begin, may I suggest you register for an account with SUAS if you're a drone pilot seeking contacts and information, and with Drone Major Group if you're a UAV supplier. Use the link in the description area below this video on YouTube. Every amateur drone pilot needs to understand the rules regarding the safe flying of drones in UK airspace. Every professional drone pilot will learn all about these rules and regulations during their training courses conducted by an NQE, a national qualified entity. The UK Dronecode is published by the Civial Aviation Authority, the national body that oversees and governs UK airspace. The purpose of the UK Dronecode is to assist drone users in flying safely. Stick to these regulations and you'll not only minimise the risk of harming anyone or anything, but you'll also stay out of trouble with the law. You can download a copy of the UK Dronecode from the DroneSafe website, dronesafe.uk. The new version came into effect or comes into effect on the 30th of July 2018. And enshrines in law what were previously only guidelines for the safe flying of UAV in UK airspace. So let's get down to it then. The CAA have invented a mnemonic, D-R-O-N-E, to help remind drone pilots of the basics. It goes like this. D. Don't fly near airports or airfields. R. Remember to stay below 400 feet. O. Observe your drone at all times. Stay 150 feet at least away from people and property. N. Never fly near aircraft. E. Enjoy responsibly. If you remember that much, you'll be doing well, but you should also absorb these details. Be drone safe. Always keep your drone in sight. Even if you can still see it, you might become confused as to its orientation. So only fly it as far as you can confidently operate it. It's not about how far the drone can fly technically, it's more about how far your abilities extend. Never fly your drone above 400 feet, or 120 meters. That's measured from the ground where you stand, not sea level. That's the law now, and it is being enforced. Ignorance of the law is no protection against prosecution. Be drone aware. Get to know your drone and only fly it within the envelope specified within the manufacturer's instructions. You have read the manual, haven't you? Your drone is an aircraft, not a TV or a toaster. You need to study the manual to learn all about its capabilities and its limitations. Keep the right distance away from people and property. This is the one that often confuses people because there's so much footage of drones flying in crowded streets. But these shots are either outside the UK where the rules are different, or carried out with all the necessary permissions. Or the footage was captured in contravention of the local laws. In the UK, you need to keep your drone a minimum of 150 feet away from people and property. But that's just individuals and small groups. When it comes to crowds and built-up areas, you need to keep your drone a minimum of 500 feet away. And don't overfly anyone or any property. Be drone legal. As pilot in command of your drone, you are responsible for every flight you undertake. If anything goes wrong, if you make a mistake, or if you do something stupid, you are liable. If you break the law as a drone pilot, you can face criminal prosecution. So stay well away from aircraft, airports and airfields. It is against the law to fly your drone within 1 kilometre of an airport or airfield boundary. If your drone endangers life by flying close to an aircraft, you could be looking at up to 5 years in jail. One other thing that is not mentioned in the Drone Safe leaflet is the need to be aware of small grass airstrips. and helicopter landing pads on private land. I once filmed at Knowlton Church in Dorset. Thanks to the flight planning I had been taught in training, I spotted a grass airstrip nearby. Had the strip been in use when I was flying my drone, there was a risk that my drone might have come into conflict with any aircraft departing or landing at the strip. That concludes this brief view of the new drone laws in the UK. Please like and share this video and post any comments or feedback below.